Okay, fine. So, hello everyone, am I audible to you all? Hope you all are doing great. Fine. Let me just check that. Good evening, everyone. Hope you all are doing great and your preparation is also going great. So, I am your mentor Mayank Dubey for your quantitative aptitude subject, right? So, welcome to our platform Dhruvika Academy. So, fine. It's clearly audible. Fine. Thank you so much for the confirmation. So today, guys, as you all know, this is our Abhyasa series where we are solving the questions of previous year. So previous year analysis we are doing here, and today we are going to cover one of the most important topic, that is data interpretation, and most of the students facing difficulty in this topic. So we are going to begin with this. This is your Abhyasa series. So please be active, proactive in the chat box, which I expect from all of you. And you all can check your level as well. At what level you are, how you are preparing yourself. So data interpretation plays an important role, right, in quantitative aptitudes section especially. So what kind of question will come, everything we are going to cover. So what we are going to do, previous year analysis of data interpretation. But first of all, you must know now what is data interpretation. You interpret the given data that can be given in the form of graph, right, table, pie chart, right. Graph can be of two type, right, bar graph, line graph, and one caselet DI. Caselet DI is also there. So data interpretation, four type of data, right, representation is there. So they will give the, okay, hi Sadashiv, they will give you the table form data, graphical data, pie chart data that you need to analyze, and that can be based on anything, and will ask you multiple MCQs. We can expect 3 to 5 questions from this section. So this is going to be very beneficial for you and the scoring part. So how you are going to analyze the thing, that we will see. So let's start with the question. So here we are going to analyze the questions of the previous years, as I said. So there is one table, right? There is one table which is given to you all. Data given in the table of month of March 2015. Right? If table, right, you can see in this table, data is given in the table for month of March 2015. Companies, there are 7 companies which are given, A, B, C, D, E, F. So total number of employees they have given in the table. In A there are 5,550 employees. In B there are 3,200 employees. In company C there are 2,000 employees. In company E there are D 2,500, E 4,040, 240, and 3,516 F. They have given us one other, right, one more data. Number of female employees also they have given us. 2410 in company A, 1860 in company B, 1600 in company C, 1200 in company D, 2600 in company F, E, and 1214 company F. So now this is the information which is given to us. Based on this, now they are asking you one question. The number of, so be ready, the question is here. It is from PGCET 2023, right? As I said, previous year question. So you can see the weightage is also higher, guys. So the number of male employees in company D is what percent less than the number of female employees in company C? That you need to find out. So tell me the answer. Just try to analyze. I will tell you how it can be done, but you have to give your best also, na? So I am just checking whether you guys are able to do it or not. And if you are new to the session, mark your attendance by liking the session, right? So be active, try to answer. This is very, very important. You can't ignore this topic. I am giving you sufficient time for analysis, then I will solve definitely for you all. The number of male employees in company D. So you will say, sir, male employees are not given. Then how we can determine? You can determine male employees. You know total employees? Yes. You will say, yes, sir. You know total number of female employees. So total employees minus female employees will be equal to number of male employees or not? Right? So 5550 minus 2410. This will get you the number of male employees in company A. While 3200 minus 1860, this will get you the company B's male employees. So you can easily get the data now. So which company's data here they are asking for male employees? The number of male employees in company D. They are asking about company D. So number of male employees in company D would be how much? You guys just tell me that. So you will say 2500 minus 1200. So it would be 1300 number of male employees. So in company D, male employees in company D is equal to how much? 1300. Is what percent less than the number of female employees in company C? So in company C, how many females are there? 1600. So a simple thing, you have 1300 males in company D, while females in company, right, females in C. So 1300, 1600. How much less? So you will say, sir, 300. But this is a number. The same you need to calculate. In which way? The same you have to calculate in percentage. So how much percent less than the female employees of company C? So in company C, 1600 female employees. How much less? So in number 300. So this 300 is how much percent of 1600? So 0 to 0 cancelled. You can easily cancel that. Now multiply 100. So 300% divide by 16. So you will say 16 ones are 16, sir. Then 140 is there, right? Then 16 8s are 128, right? So 12 is there. Then you will say 16 7s are, so 18.7% something you are getting, which is not given in the option. So answer would be what, guys? 100, right? What? None of these. This is very, very important. I hope you are getting it. It's a very important logic. And why I am covering these type of questions? Because students are not preparing for these type of questions. They are thinking they can do easily, right? They are covering other topics, fine. But DI is also very crucial, and it's not difficult. It's all about the understanding. First, you must know how to read the data. That is an art, right? For which you need the proper training. So hope so you guys are understanding it. Please do let me know, guys. If it's clear, please let me know in the chat box. You have to be proactive, because next question I am going to ask from you all. It should not be like you have to be also active in the chat box, no? It's not a one-way traffic. I expect a lot of from you all. Efforts from you all. So I'm moving on to the next. Are you ready for that? If it is clear, it was just a data which we analyzed, nothing else. You must know how to read the data. If you know that, you can easily do it. Next question, guys. The next question. Okay. The next question. The total number of female employees. The same set. See, they will give you the same question, problem, data. The data will be same based on the same data, na? They will ask you 3 to 5, right? MCQs, guys. And students are thinking that this is a toughest topic. What I came to know now from the feedbacks of students, I can say, they thought this is the toughest topic. I must say this is the easiest one, if you know how to solve, right? So see, data given in the table of month of March 2015. company A, B, C, D, E, F. The same data is given. Same table. As I said, based on the same data, they will ask you 3 to 5 questions. The total number of female employees in company B and F together is what percent of total number of employees in company D? See, what are they asking? Total number of female employees, females total, in which company? B plus F. Is how much percent, is what percent of the total employees in company D. So in company D, how many total employees are there? 2500. So you will say, sir, 2500 is there. Very good, Manya. Excellent job. Very good. Excellent. Now, females in B and F. So in B, how many females are there? 1860. In D, how many? In F, sorry, how many females are there? 1240. Just add it. 1800 plus 1200, 3060 plus 40, 100. So it will become 3100. Total female employees in company B and F would be 3100. Now, this B plus F, what are they asking? The total female employees in B and F is how much percent of the total employees of company D. Multiply 100%, I am writing. This is about the female data. This is about the total data. So what you will say, 3100 with respect to 2500. Multiply 100%. Right, 0 to 0 cancel, you can say. By 25 you can cancel 100 4 times. Now 4 into 31, 124%. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. 124%. Very good, Manya. Very good. 2 p.m. Great. I'm very happy with your performances, guys. Good job. But others also need to try now. Here you are checking yourself. It's your judgment. So are you able to read the data? Are you able to solve the question? That does matter. Right? So if it is clear, we can move ahead. Tell me that. The solution is clear to you all or not? Please do let me know. And mark your attendance by liking the session. Right? And be proactive. Then only I can say, right, you guys are present. So understanding it or not? Done? Okay, so based on same problem, I'm going to ask you another. Based on same data, I'm going to ask you another problem. But later on, because see, the same table based DI now, it was repeated back to back. The same data they have repeated 2 years. In 2022, na, same kind of data was there. I will explain you. I will share now the question which they asked based on the same data. So that also I will show you. Okay. Now guys, now pie chart based data is given. What pie chart? Pie chart is what? It's a circle. And it is divided like a pizza slices. You can see here. A is first slice you can say of the circle, right? So pizza slice, like you can imagine like that. Then B, then C, then D and E. So total a circle is a full part for itself. So there are how many sections? 5. So 100% of part of circle is divided like A is having 18% part, B is having 12% part, C is having 16% part, D is having 32% part, E is having 22% part. Getting my point? But what are they asking? Find the central angle of stole D. So central angle means they are asking this angle. I am going to tell you. Then I will ask you the question, right? How it will be done. This angle they are asking. So you know na, a full circle is of 360 degree, guys. It is completely 360 degree, which is equal to 100% of it. Getting my point? So they are asking the angle. So how much part D is covering? 32% part. So total angle is 360 degree. Total circle angle. So how much part D is covering? 32%. So just calculate 32% of 360 degree. So you will get the angle made by section D. So how much it would be? So you will say 32 divided by 100 multiply 360. Right. So it will be 115.2 guys. I'm changing the option B. 0 to 0 cancel. Right. By 2 you can cancel this 5 times. This is cancel 18 times. Now 32 into 18 you can say. This we have to solve. So 18 into 32. 18 twos are. So you will say 36 6. 13 3 carry. 18 threes are 54 plus 3. So you will say 57. So 576 divided by 5. Right? How much you are getting? 576 divided by 5. Now just cancel it. Degree. Very good, Manya. What about others? By 5 you can cancel this. 5 ones are 5. Then 7. 5 ones are 5 again. Then 2. 5 fives are. So you will say 25. Then 1 by 2 degree you are having. Right? So then how much? 1. Sorry. 1 by 5 you have. So 1 you have, just increase 0. So you will put decimal. Now 2 times cancel. So 115.2 degree. Very good, Patil. Very good, Sindhu, Sadashiv, Manya. Excellent. So like this you all need to be proactive now. Why I explained this? Because when students see such kind of things now, they say, think like it's a big thing, right? It required a lot of efforts, right? The concepts, no, it's general thing. DI, if you have basic understanding of percentage average ratio, then you can easily solve data interpretation, right? Now tell me another question I'm going to ask. Wait. Okay, just wait. Let me check it. Wait guys, I hope it's clear. You can just make sure me that everything is clear to you, whatever I have covered. So it's fine. Okay, fine. So I am going to ask you another question based on this. Find out, now you guys will tell me, the central angle of store A. What is the central angle of store A? Everyone, very good Chandana, very good Shidiling Appa, very good. Now you guys will tell me, what is the angle of section A? What is the angle of section A? Okay. Wait. Is that clear? Okay, wait. Let me check. Just wait, guys. I'm making some changes actually. Okay, fine. Okay. So let me check your options as well. 64.8, 64.8. Very good, Sindhu, Manya. Excellent job. See, 18% of 360 degree you need to find out now, guys. If I will ask you for E, you will say, sir, 22% of the 360 degree. If I will ask you for C, 16% of 360 degree. Like that you will calculate easily. I hope you are getting it well now. So 5 stores. One more thing, guys. Now I am going to ask you some more question based on this. Total number of books also given to us, that it is 1100. It is 1100. So now I am going to ask you, what is the ratio? What is the ratio? They can ask you any type of question, guys. So what I am saying here, just focus. What is the ratio between number of books of section A to D. What is the ratio between the number of books of section A to number of books in section D? And believe me, this problems which I am asking you, it can be solved in some seconds. So tell me the answer of this. I hope you all are enjoying the session and understanding each and everything in a crisp and proper manner, because I expect a lot from you all. So right, in the similar way, you guys also expecting a lot of from my session. So that's why I'm right bringing the quality question, so you guys can not only understand the question, you will get the concept as well. So Rajesh, very good. Sindhu, 9.5. No, it's about the ratio. Ratio is what? Number of books, right? Number of books A to number of books from D. That's it. But guys, as you know, this is the distribution in percentage directly, you know, na. So 18% books belongs to A, 32% books belongs to what? D. So just take the ratio here. By 2 you can cancel this. So 9:16 you are getting. No need to calculate number of books, then take the ratio. Why? Because in percentage also we know that, na? And it is the percentage of total. I am not asking you any number, I am asking you the average. Okay. Now, wait. Okay. Then, okay. Be ready for the next question. Are you ready for the next question? Okay, see. I am giving you the question. Average number of books in store A and E is how much less than the average number of books in stores. Let me select the stores as well, B and D. Answer this question. I'm just asking in numbers. Now you need to know that, right? Average number of books in stores A and E is how much less than the average number of books in store B and D. Average is what? Equal distribution, nothing else. So first you need to get the average of A and E, then get the average of B and D. I'm giving you the clue. Then take the difference and then you need to calculate the number of books. I'm not asking in percentage. I'm asking the number of books, the difference in numbers. Let's see who will answer first. For you, it's a very, right, if I will talk about from the students point of view now. So this is the complicated topic for them, but it's not. Today you can see that. If you will analyze, you can easily do it. Tell me the answer. %. I'm not asking about the percentage. Otherwise, right? Okay, 11. Okay, but 11 is not going to be the answer. Now see guys, first you need to take what? The number of books first. A and E, I am saying number of books in A and E. How much? 22 plus 18. So you will say 40% of the total they have. Of the total. Okay. While B and D is having 32 plus 12. 44% B and D are having. So how much less? A and E having how much less percent? So you will say 4% less, sir. So 4% less, but I am asking the percentage? No. I am asking you the number of books. So 4% of the total, just calculate. 4% of 1100. Calculate it. So you will say, sir, 4 by 100 multiply 1100, 0 cancel. 11 fours are 44. It's 44, but well tried, Karthik, design, Manya, everyone tried very well. Uh, okay, Shillingappa, very good. Sindhu, Shokya, 2 p.m. All tried their best. See, when you will do some mistakes, you are going to understand the things better. Now, when you are learning, you are in learning phase. So definitely you will make some mistakes, but you should not stop solving the question. Now, you used your full brain. I have given you enough time. You analyzed. Then I explained you actually what is going to be the solution. Why 44? Again, I am explaining, guys. A and E total 40%. They have. B and D is having 44%. So it's how much more? So 40 is 4% less, right? So 4% is the difference. So that only we need to find out of the total. 1100 total, 4% of 1100 is going to be 44. Yeah, that's the mistake which can be made, na? The calculation also, the data also you need to analyze. It's all about a data analysis. Data interpretation is what? You need to analyze the given data and solve the problem. What are they asking? So is that clear to all of you now? Crystal clear? Any doubt, anyone? I am hoping that you guys are getting it well and the things are clear, right? In a much better way. Everything is clear. So happy to see your performances. Alright, you guys are rocking, doing well, great. So moving on to the next now. So based on the same now, they can ask you anything as I said. Tell me, what is the average number of books for the given stores? You need to find out the average number of books now. Average number of books for given stores. So tell me what would be the answer. Average is what? The equal distribution. Average number of books for each store. You are not going for real distribution. You will go for equal. Now, don't use Power BI for calculation. Right? You can directly do it. It's all about the practice. Okay? So hope so you guys are getting it well now. Done. So tell me the average. It's very easy, guys, what I'm asking. Average means what? The equal distribution. This is 100%, na? So how many parts are there? 5. 5 stores are there, na? So total divided by number of stores. So each store will have 20% of the books on an average. So 20% of the books, so 20% of 1100. That would be what? 20 by 100 multiply 1100. 0, 0 cancel. You will get what? Right? I hope you are getting 11 into 20, 220. Not 550, it's 220. You are not dividing into 2 parts. Now you are dividing this into 5 parts. Directly you can say 1100 divided by 5 as well. So you will get 220. Getting my point? So they can ask you right like that. The question can be like that. Now, another question, the last question based on this DI I am asking you. Hope you all are enjoying the session, right? And understanding everything very well. So, okay. Number of books, right? In store D is how much percent more than number of books in store C or from store C, right? From store C. So tell me, number of books in store D, na? Number of books in store D is how much percent more than the number of books in store C. Now it seems very easy, but it's not. I am going to see your answers in the chat box. Very good, Sokhya, Manya. Okay, well tried. 22%, 176, 200, 352. I'm not asking number of books. I'm asking how much percent more than that. Right? So it's 16. No. Kingmaker, no. Sokhya, Karthik, no. See, it seems this is 16% of the total, guys. And this is the 32% of the total. With respect to total, D is 16% more than that. But more than C, no. Their difference is 16% of the total. If I will compare with respect to C and D, na, so D is 32. In terms of percent it is. C is 16. So with respect to C, na, it is double. Getting my point? I have to add another 16%. So for C, na, it's 100% is this 16 of the total. So what you will say? D is just double of C. So it would be 100% more than C. Getting my point? Just calculate 16%. You will get it what I am trying to say. This is not the 16% of C, na. It's a value for C. Suppose this is 16. This is 32. 32 is 16 more than 16. So 16 plus 16, 32. Double. So already this is 100%. The 16 is 100% for C. And D is just double of that. Means 200%. D is 200% of C. So how much percent more than C? 100% more. Because C is 100% for itself. And D is 100% more than that. So answer is going to be 100. So I hope now your fundamentals are clear. Fundamentally clear about the percentage. Some understanding. I hope you understood. You have some understanding of the comparison as well. Understood? How to compare? It's not like you are going with, you are comparing 32 and 16. No. C is completely, right, 100% for itself. D is 100% for itself. So with respect to C I am comparing. Then I have to consider 16. With respect to 16, 32 is double. So D is 200% of C. So 100% more than C. Right? I hope it's clear to you. Okay. So guys, as I said, the same set of DI you can see. The same table came in 2023 and the same table, right, tabular DI you can see in PGCET 2022 as well. Right? There also you can see the same. So you guys just tell me what is going to be the answer of this. The number of male employees in company D is what percent? The table is given. The first question which we have solved, now first 2-3 questions based on table based DI, table based data. Company, 7 companies, their total number of employees, female employees was given. So the same, they have not changed even the value. Getting my point? So what I am asking here, the number of male employees in company D is what percent less than the number of female employees in company C? Tell me the answer of this question. Number of male employees is in company D. That is how much. Here you can see 1220 they have given. So you will say 1280 it is. Right? Is what percent less than the number of female employees in company C? So in company C it is 1600. Right? They have only made a minor change. In the previous table it was 1200. Now it is 1220. Getting my point? So now just tell me, the female employees of company C is 1600, while the male employees in company D is 1280. So what are they asking? Male employees how much percent less than the female employees of company C? So females in C is equal to 1600. Males in D is equal to 1280. So how much less? So you will say 320. But how much percent less they are asking? So the difference, how much less? 320 with respect to number of female employees. Multiply 100. 0 to 0 cancel. By 16, 32 cancel 2 times. So you will get 20%. So 20% is the answer. So after the session now you all need to repeat and solve this DI. I am going to give you some homework as well from the today's session. So understood by all? Understanding or not? If not understanding, then also you can highlight me. Is it clear? Tell me the answer. I am going to assign you the homework. Okay. So this one is clear now. So I am going to give you another. You all need to solve and share your homework. Right? So this is the homework question. Write down this. What is the difference between the number of male employees in company A and that in company F? What is the difference between the number of male employees in company A and that in company F? A very simple data. In company A and company F, male employees difference they are asking. That's it. So note this question. Male employees in company A minus male employees in company F, the difference they are asking. So this is the homework. Note it fast. And I need the answer in the comment box. Proactive, solve the solution after this. So in today's session, we have solved many things, guys. And I hope you understood the things as well. Everything. And how to solve. If you find any difficulty anywhere, na, you can contact us. The numbers are given in the description box. A crucial time of your preparation has come now. So if you are serious about your preparation and thinking that you have to start from scratch, then you can join our batch Warrior 5.0. For further details of the batch, now you can contact us on our number which is given in the description box. Dedicated classes are there, live classes, recorded sessions, study material, magazines, test analysis, one-to-one mentorship, and many other advantages, other things which we are providing to our students for their betterment, right? And what I am saying here, for your better preparation only, I am just telling you at the end, it's up to you. It's about your preparation. So if you are not prepared well, then you must join it. Okay. So other links of our WhatsApp groups for further update about PGCET and all, you can join us right through the WhatsApp link. WhatsApp group link is given in the description box. 820 you all are answering, great. Right, that is given in the description box. Telegram, other social media platform links are available, and our apps right link also given, so you can download our app from the Play Store as well. Number also given. If you have any query, any doubt, the number is also available in the description box. So this is also the last homework question. 820, very good design. Manya, 2 PM Sindhu, Rakshita, Sokhya, King. So doing well, good. If in April 2015 the number of female employees in company E is increased by 10% and the number of total employees in company remained the same, what was the number of male employees? This is the question which you all need to solve by putting the efforts. Okay, a tricky one, because we have the March data, guys. We have the data of March month. Now they are talking about April month by some reference. If in April the number of female employees in company E increased by 10%, the number of total employees in company remained the same, what was the number of male employees? Note this fast. So And if you have any doubt, any query, you can just reach out to me. And mark your attendance by liking the session. Hope you all are doing great and understood everything very well. Okay, 1380 by Sokhya. Anushri also answering D. Fine. So you have to share this answer in the comment box. So definitely you'll get the reply whether your answers are correct or not. Thank you so much, guys. I hope in today's session you understood everything very well. So if you are new to the session, then do subscribe our channel and share with others as well. This series we are going to continue, and we are going to bring some more sessions topic wise. If you want, we can bring most important questions from different topics of your content, reasoning, and for other subjects as well. It's up to you. You have to just let us know about that. So thank you so much. Like this, we are going to continue regularly. You have to be very, very active and regular in the session. Thank you so much. Bye bye everyone. Good night. Thank you so okay. So bye bye everyone. We'll see you in the next session. Till then, keep learning and keep shining like a star. Thank you.